Hello and welcome to Yaya Academy. I'm Maya, and today we're covering the single most important part of your Yaya profile, your video greeting. Profiles with good video greetings get 70% more messages from families. Your video is where families decide if they want to meet you. So let's make sure yours is good. Families scroll through hundreds of profiles with similar experience. Your video is the only place where they see your personality, hear your voice, and get a sense of who you really are. Families don't just hire experience, they hire people they trust with their children. Bad video? You're forgettable. Good video? You stand out. This is not optional. This is essential. Let's start by showing you the most common mistakes. Here's what we see every day. A lot of nannies record a 10-second video saying, "Hi, I'm Maria. I'm looking for a job." Families learn nothing about you. They don't know where you've worked, what you're good at, or why you love working with children. A generic video tells families you don't care enough to make an effort. Your video is your first impression, so let's make sure it's a great one. Before you record, lower your video resolution on your camera app. Yaya cannot accept large files over 100 megabytes. Now let's talk about the technical side, how to actually record your video. Record near a window or outside for good lighting. Choose a clean background like a plain wall. Hold your phone at eye level and keep it steady. Find a quiet place with no background noise. And smile. Show warmth and friendliness. If you look uncomfortable or your setting looks messy, families will move on. We advise you to try to keep your video around 1 minute. Here's what to cover. Start with a brief introduction. Say your name, where you're from, and how long you've been working as a nanny.
Hi, my name is Maria. I'm from Kenya, and I've been working as a nanny in the UAE for 6 years.
Then talk about your experience. This is the most important part. Tell families where you've worked, when, what types of families, the children's ages, and what you did. If you have references available, mention it.
I worked with a French family in Jumeirah from 2018 to 2020, caring for their 2 children, ages 3 and 5. Then a British family in Arabian ranches from 2020 to 2024 with school-age children, ages 6 and 8. I handled childcare, meal preparation, homework help, and light housekeeping. I have references available from both families.
Next, share what makes you special. This is where you stand out. What do you love about working with children? What unique skills do you have? What's something memorable about you?
I love creating fun learning activities and I speak 3 languages, English, Swahili, and basic Arabic. I'm experienced in outdoor play, cooking healthy international meals, and I have a special talent for getting fussy eaters to try new foods. I'm patient, energetic, and passionate about helping children grow.
Finish with a simple, warm closing like, "I'd love to bring my experience to your family, and I'm available to start immediately." That's it. 1 minute that shows families who you are and why you're different from everyone else. A quick note on photos. You're applying for a professional childcare position and your photos should reflect that. We often see glamorous poses, heavy filters, and styled selfies. These don't help families see you as a professional caregiver. We also see photos with children from previous families. This is not allowed. It's a privacy issue. Never post photos with children. Here's what works. A clear photo of just you, taken near a window or outside. Clean, modest clothing. If you have a uniform, wear it. A natural smile and a simple background, that's all you need. Your video greeting is the most important thing on your profile. Families make their hiring decision based on it. It's where they see if you're warm, trustworthy, and someone they want in their home. Take the time to do this right. Record in good lighting, smile, and tell families who you are and what you've done. Show them why you're different from everyone else. Do this and you'll stand out. Skip this and you'll keep wondering why families aren't messaging you. If you ever want to update your video or photos, just contact our support team via WhatsApp and we'll help you. Thank you for watching Yaya Academy, and good luck getting hired.